Hello everybody, Jackson here from the Wall Squad. Today talking about work from home stocks. So of course the work from home stocks were hot, a year and a half ago, a year ago. That's because everyone was at home, they had to do stuff online, and these companies kind of went with that, right? They went with the stay at home type workplace. So we're going to look at these stocks today. We're going to measure the risks, if it's worth investing in, because if you're a contrarian, which means you invest in things people avoid just because they're scared of it, they sell, you buy, they buy, you sell type thing. If you're a contrarian or think of yourself as a contrarian, then these might be the stocks to look into or even buy, right? Because they are not hot right now. They are the opposite of in favor. So we're going to look into them, see where we think they're going. First off, of course, is Zoom. And Zoom is the highlight of the work from home stocks. Went from 100 to almost 600. That's at its peak. So it went up 6 times, doubled 6 times. But let's just look and see what it's doing now. So of course, right there. Now, what's an interesting thing to point out is I made a video a while back talking about Zoom, of how we could see a bounce, and I drew this line, and you can see the line did not hold. Currently, look at the year chart, we're 4 days under that line, so it did not hold. But now there's some more lines we could even draw, like down here ish. Right there, or right there, around there. So we're gonna see a drop of 10% in order to fall to that line, and that's if, right? So you can see right now Zoom may be an opportunity, down 1.7% today. RSI is under 30. That's a good sign. That means you should buy, right? Over 70, you should probably sell some, take some profit. Under 30 means it's the opposite, right? You should probably buy some. So 5-year chart, of course, has been around for 5 years, but I'm just trying to get some more perspectives for this RSI under 30. Right now, the RSI is at 25 for the year 24. So it definitely could be a right time to buy. Of course, there's no moving averages that are supporting it. It's just the RSI and previous support. So if you're a contrarian looking to Zoom, the business may be worth investing in. I'm just looking at the chart right now, so you have to do your own research outside of this video. That should be a given. Next, of course, is Teladoc Health. So this is an interesting one where doctors would basically talk to you over the internet, over their website online. And you get prescriptions, stuff like that, easily, instead of going into a doctor or questions like that. If you have questions or concerns, you could always tell a doc or video chat a doctor, and this is basically what they did. So they bought a company for a very large amount, and right now they're under that amount. So they're not doing well. Teladoc Health is not. We could see not too much apparent supports here. Of course, that's apparent. Another one, maybe right here, but that doesn't really help our situation. So maybe you see something else I don't, but Teladoc doesn't look like it has much support supporting it. We could see a 30% more drop, which is tough considering the stock is already down, how much? 300 down to 125, 60%. So, and there's no moving averages supporting Teladoc here, not even on the 5-year chart. So that'd be a better one. So yeah, there's our support, 87. We could check Teladoc. Yeah, nothing really supporting it. Maybe something at 100, but that's at the all-time chart when it's not even been too long. So nothing too apparent for the moving averages, although the RSI is approaching that negative territory. I'm sorry, not negative, the 30 buy territory. On the year chart, on the 6 month, it's already there. And you can see a couple times it has hit there. It's always been kind of buying opportunities, right? You know, under 30, bounce. Under 30, under 30 again, bounce. Under 30, bounce. Under 30, bounce. So that's a small bounce. However, if this falls more, we're going to see a bigger bounce, right? So, you know, another type of thing, don't take my word on it to invest. I'm looking at the technical side. I'm not looking at the fundamentals at all. That's what you should do if you're interested in these stocks. I'm just pointing out some opportunities, right? Work from home stocks are those opportunities I'm pointing out. Zoom, Teladoc Health, and finally Peloton. So Peloton is also a very interesting play. A lot of people are backing it in terms of investing in it or using the product. Kind of hard to chart this one as well. I doubt we're going to see this, but just in case. So since this February, January rush, a lot of growth stocks have been down, and including these work from home stocks. And of course, the return to offices don't help. So you can see Peloton, let's check how much they're down. All-time high 171, trading under 100 at 85, down 50% flat. So let's check the year. You can see RSI is under 30, not negative, under 30, which is a buy-in opportunity. You can see the other times it was under 30 right here, and now. Year to date, also negative territory. 6 months, of course, also negative. So you can see, has been around 5 years, but it is approaching this. It is approaching the 100 moving average, so that may be worth something looking into. Although it has been around for 5 years, so I don't really know how well that's well of an indicator that is, but it is there either way. So yeah, what do you think about these stocks? Peloton, let's see if we can do some here. What do you think? Should I? Looks pretty good. So these stocks are, all falling. They're out of favor in terms of investments and in terms of investors, right? Many people are dumping their shares or just getting out of it altogether, selling some, cutting their losses. So if you're a contrarian, you're looking for the type of play no one else is looking for, these are the stocks to get into. Zoom, Teladoc Health, and Peloton. So what do you think about these stocks? Let us know in the comments below. It is an interesting, industry or, not necessarily sector, but type of stocks to look into. That's for sure. Investment-wise, who knows? So we just have to look out from here. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time.